Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to another, I should say, What Sold video.
Never took a left. Oh, that cart was a jack of wheels.
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Alright, so, what sold on Wednesday? Wednesday was a decent little day. Our normal business, so. We did sell some pretty unique things. So first things up, not unique, but something we sell a lot of, some jeans. These are Gap jeans. We don't sell a lot of Gap jeans, but when we see them, if they're in decent shape, we do sell them. This is the 1969 model. This is size 32-32. And kind of a darker wash. These sold for $11 plus shipping. Next on the list is a little Pac-Man game. It's like a little arcade Pac-Man game. I got this retail arbitrage at Walmart. I got two of them. One sold relatively quickly, and this one I didn't notice when I bought it, but it was actually opened. There's a seal here, and there's a seal here. This one was actually open, but it was never removed from the box. So it is still brand new. Got these, I think I picked these up for like $4 or $5 at Walmart right before Christmas. And this one sold for $15 plus shipping. Next are some books. We get these when we see them at the bins. These are Hardy Boy books. This is a newer printing of the Hardy Boys, so they don't typically sell for as much money as the older ones do, but still sell nonetheless. This is a lot of 5 Hardy Boy books. There's 5 of them here. We probably paid $1 a piece, so $1.25 turned into $12 free shipping. Alright, moving right along, some more jeans. American Eagle jeans. These are older American Eagle jeans. By older, I mean vintage-ish American Eagle jeans. They're quite small, size 28-30. These sold for $12 plus shipping. Another set of jeans, Levi's 505. Another brand that just sells well, or the 505s. Really, 569 and 505s are probably our best sellers. Size 38-34. This is a light wash jean. This one was in really, really good shape as well, next to new. This sold for $12 plus shipping. Last on the list for today, Wednesday, the 24th of February, is this. It's a sign. This is not a vintage sign. It's a reprint. We got these on Amazon. The first couple ones we sold for some profit. We paid about $4, maybe $3 for these. This one did not sell. We're just trying to get rid of it at this point. So the first couple ones sold, we made like $1 or $2 on them. We're probably not gonna ever buy these again. So this is the last one of these. It is a metal sign. This sold for $4 plus shipping. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today is Thursday, February 25th. We got some sales today, so we are going to start it off with this. It is another box next to my head, so it means more ink tags. Yep, sold more of these. In case you haven't seen the last 2 What Sold videos, or even the beginning of this one, well, I'm sorry, the first half of the week that aired on Friday, I bought about 10,000 of these security ink tags from a store that was going out of business. And we've been slowly selling through them. This box right here is a 200 piece, so 200 of these little ink tags sold for $22 free shipping. I'm going to move this out of the way, so I'll be right back. All right, now I got some room to breathe here. So we'll get into the rest of the stuff. First thing on the list is this. It's a little first aid kit. Never been opened. You can see the little zip tie still up there. Brand new. I believe we got this on Amazon on Black Friday or some sale. We didn't pay much for it. We paid a couple bucks for it. Sold for $8.75. Free shipping. Next up, set of jeans. Some Levi's right here. These are 560s. These are size 40-34. They're your normal run-of-the-mill blue jeans. Nothing real special here. They are a darker wash, but nothing too dark. Nothing really too unique about these. They sold for $30. Free shipping. Sometimes even the boring ones sell for good money. It's just a matter of finding that right size and that right number. Sometimes they make for some pretty good money. 560s and 569s are comfort fit jeans, so they do sell for a little higher dollar than the regular fit 501s and 505s and 514s and so forth. Next up is another one of these Plan B toys. This one is the Special Forces 82nd Airborne Edition. These are pretty rare toys. You don't see a lot of these on the marketplace. So we did hold out and sell till we got the right number we were looking for on these. This one sold for $35, free shipping. Next, some jeans, but a different pair of jeans. They're very tiny jeans. They are boys' jeans, kids, size 6. Levi's, what are they, 514s. Kids' jeans do sell decently well, and they're easy to ship too because they're very light. So these typically will go first class. So if you guys see kids' jeans, definitely take a look at them. Now, kids are hard on their clothing, so finding ones in good shape sometimes can be a little bit of a trial. But if you look hard enough, you can find them. And they do sell for a decent amount of money. These sold for $11 plus shipping. Another set of jeans on the list, and again, a little bit of a unique thing. We found these at the Goodwill bins. These are Jordache, brand new with tags. See that? Vintage Jordache jeans, the Horsehead jeans. These are size 12/27. They're women's jeans. These sold for $37 plus shipping. So keep an eye out. Not all the time do you need to look out for those Levi's or the name brand. Sometimes you can find jeans that maybe you didn't hear of, like Jordache. I've heard of them before, but a lot of people haven't. New with tags, they sold for great money, $37 plus shipping. And last for today, something that's near and dear to my heart. This is a record, Beverly Hills Cop soundtrack, probably another one of my very favorite movies. The 80s Eddie Murphy movies, I really love them. Not that I didn't like them in like the 90s, Nutty Professor and things like that. Those were really funny, but this to me is true Eddie Murphy. And the rumor is he's making another one of these, so I hope it's good. But the original Beverly Hills Cop 1 and 2 were great movies. So this is a soundtrack, has the Axel F song. For those of you that have seen the movie, it's the song right at the beginning of the movie. Everybody's heard it. This sold for $7.20 plus shipping. Hello, welcome back. Today is Friday, February 26th. We've got some sales to go over. First thing up, it's a video game. Nintendo GameCube, Mario Kart Double Dash. This sold for $65 plus shipping. If you want to know the story behind this, watch my thrifting video. I'll link it in the description down below from Friday. So yesterday, for those of you watching on Saturday. There's a pretty good story behind how this came about. So I won't spoil it for you. Go ahead and watch that video. It's pretty entertaining. Next up is actually hanging right here. This is an LL Bean men's nightshirt, I guess we'll call it. It's like a pajama shirt. It's really long. People wear it to bed. I don't know. This doesn't seem comfortable to me, but people like them. We found this at the Goodwill bins, last bins trip, and we were surprised at how much it sold for. This sold for $25, free shipping. Hang it back up here. It'll probably fall down mid-video again like the last time. Next up, we've got some jeans. These were from also Friday's video, so all three of these were actually from Friday's video, so check that video out. We got some good stuff. Levi's 511, slim fit, size 34-30. These are kind of a darker wash with a kind of a yellow thread inlay. They look brand new, so they're in really good shape. These sold for $14 plus shipping. More jeans, same store actually. These were from the Salvation Army. Again, Friday's video. These are Levi's 559 relaxed straight fit jeans. These sold for $16 plus shipping. And something we haven't sold a lot of lately, but we probably will be getting back into it now that we've got some estate sales and some garage sales coming up. Now the weather's nice. This is a military pin. This is a World War II Army Air Corps Air Force AAF Officer Wings insignia in sterling silver. This sold for $10 plus shipping. All right, next up, last two are actually both jeans. Levi's 527, size 34, symmetry. These are low boot cut jeans. Again, just your typical blue jean pattern here. Nothing too terribly special, but again, from that thrift store from my little thrift store outing by myself from Friday's video, these sold for $15 plus shipping. And then another one that I bought all by my lonesome while I was out on Friday. Levi's 550, 34, 32. These are a light wash denim. A little distressing on these, a little bit on the pocket, a little bit on the feet here, but nothing too crazy. These sold for $13 plus shipping. And that's about it for this part 2 of the week of what sold. So if you guys like this video, you know exactly what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to be doing more estate sales now that the weather's starting to get warmer. We'll be doing some garage sales when that starts breaking open. And, our usual bins trips and thrift store trips. So definitely subscribe to the channel. Turn those notifications to all. That way you know every time I upload new videos. And that's about it for this week. Starting a new week on Saturday. So we'll be doing some more What Sold here soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Good day, sir!